That could be him, right, holding a saber. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is him.
You think?
That is him, yeah. I mean, that's his... Get closer. And that's his... Yeah, that's him.
Can you scooch? No, that's not Billy.
Yeah, it is. That's his beard. I mean...
Hard to tell. Billy has dog tags around his neck for some reason.
Yeah, I saw that. Man,
Can you scooch?
I'm just pointing at people who could be him.
Yeah. That might be him by the cop. Talking to the cop.
Oh, here?
Yeah. I think that's Billy. Bad wig.
There's that blue under his...
It's a bad wig.
Yeah, but does he have, like...
I don't know.
We have a picture of him. Okay, so here's the Priscilla's.
Okay, they're done.
Good.